Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram folders tidy and free from distractions, you'll want to know how to exclude muted chats from a folder on Telegram web using the latest update. This quick guide will walk you through each step so you can focus only on the conversations that matter most. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log into your account. You'll see your chat list and folders at the top of the sidebar. Find the folder you want to customize. Maybe it's your work, news, or any custom folder you've set up. Now, move your mouse to the folder's name at the top. Right-click on the folder. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Edit Folder. This is where you can fine-tune what appears in your folder. Inside the Edit Folder settings, look for the option labeled Add Excluded Chats. Click on it. Here, you'll see a list of exclusion options. To exclude muted chats, simply check the box next to Muted. This tells Telegram to keep any chat you've muted out of this folder, so you won't see their messages cluttering up your important conversations. After you've checked Muted, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the window. Your changes will be applied instantly. Now, when you return to your folder, you'll notice that muted chats are no longer shown, giving you a cleaner, more organized view. This feature is especially helpful if you belong to several large groups or channels that you prefer to keep muted. By excluding them from your folders, you ensure that only the most relevant chats stay visible, making it easier to manage notifications and stay focused. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can customize your Telegram web folders to exclude muted chats and keep your messaging experience streamlined. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for getting the most out of Telegram. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized chat list.